Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's another hot day for almost all of South Africa with partly cloudy skies through the central and eastern parts, and in KwaZulu-Natal it's actually going to be quite a clear day. In the west, on the other hand, there's lots of moisture moving down from further northwards, and over this area it's also unstable, and that's a very good combination for wet weather. And as we can see on the synoptic analysis, showers and thunderstorms will be developing over many parts of the Cape provinces for this afternoon and this evening. A weak front will be approaching as well. That will start pushing in some moisture for the Overberg of the Western Cape for this evening, and later on there is a possibility for light rain. Two alerts for today. The first is a high fire danger warning over parts of the southern interior, mostly over the Western and Eastern Cape Karoo, and there is also a watch for the likelihood that severe thunderstorms could develop over the Eastern Cape later today. We'll be keeping a close eye on those thunder showers as they develop. Scattered thunder showers today extending from Namibia all across the Northern Cape down towards the south coast of the country, including Port Elizabeth and down towards the Garden route as well. A few thunder showers possible along the western coastline. Mostly at first that area will be clearing out as the day goes on, and there are a couple of showers also drifting into parts of the Lowveld, bringing in a few drops of rain to some areas in the Kruger Park, but that area will also clear later. Let's take a look at the maximum temperatures, and it's going to be a very hot day for the northern interior. Modimolle and Pretoria both reaching a maximum of 34 degrees. A scorcher of a day lies ahead for KwaZulu-Natal, some areas getting close to 40 degrees, and we expect similar temperatures for the interior of the Eastern Cape. Along the east coast, it's going to be hot and humid, along with fresh northeasterly winds for Durban and Richards Bay. Port Elizabeth, you have a moderate wind at first, but that wind is going to be picking up, becoming fresh to strong by early evening. Hot once again for the southern interior, but it is somewhat cooler around Vredendal. 29 degrees as a maximum. There's quite a bit of cloud in the area today. You could even have a couple of light showers at first. Along the south coast, it'll be warm once again. Southwesterly winds picking up during the course of this afternoon, and along with that we will see wet weather settling in later on. The Northern Cape interior is going to be hot once again, especially hot for Kimberley with a maximum of 37 degrees, but the cloud and rain will help to cool things down later. Along the west coast of the country, we see wind speeds picking up as the afternoon progresses, getting up to about 35 to 40 kilometers per hour for Alexander Bay late in the afternoon, and it is a cooler day for Langebaan and Cape Town, both reaching a maximum of 27 degrees. Swells have picked up overnight to a height of 2.5 meters for this area. A quick look at tomorrow's weather conditions, and the wet weather spreads towards the eastern parts of the country, and it's going to be an especially cloudy and wet day for parts of the eastern coastline, but somewhat clearer towards the west. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Monday.